So as you are adding the windows to your drawing, basically you probably reaching to the point that your block is basically larger than the placeholder that you define in a drawing. That's where basically the scaling become very helpful. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna scale this to this window, which is the width of 3, and we're gonna change that one to 2 to fit 6, and for the other one we're gonna change it to 2. But how are we going to do that? We learned how to do the scaling factor and using the scaling factor. This time we're going to use the scale, but we're going to use a reference in order to scaling the object. So I'm going to run the scale. I'm going to select this object. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to press in space, and I'm going to specify the base point. I'm going to specify it right there. But this time, instead of going with the scale factor, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the reference, or I can type R, and that's going to give me the reference. So the reference length is going to be from here to here, which is the original object, and I'm going to scale it all the way down to this point. So basically I use the first as a reference of object and bring it down to the second point, and that basically give the AutoCAD the reference scale. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to move this, and I'm going to place it, making sure I'm going to place it in the center. That's going to be the right place. I'm going to go over the other one. So I'm going to scale this, and I'm going to use this base point again, and again I'm going to use reference. I can either click here and then type R, and I'm going to use this reference from here to here and bring it all the way down to here. And then moving my door and place it in the center. Actually, it's not center. Let's move it one more time. Place it, and here is the center. Okay. Oops, not the right place. Place it right